How to upload video on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your TikTok. Here we go. Your For You page appears. Now at the bottom you can find different options. Tap on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. Open it. Now your camera will open up. Now you can just shoot the video by tapping on this red icon, or also you can upload it from your gallery. If you want to upload any video from your gallery in your TikTok, then you can just tap on this option of upload. I'm gonna do that. Now select the video. Tap on next. After you select the video, at the right corner you can find different options. You can just choose those options and edit your video. Likewise, at the top you can see this option of add sound. Tap on it. From here you can select any of the music of your choice to put in your video. In the case you cannot find the music of your choice, you can search it. Tap on this search icon. Now at the top you can see that search bar. Tap on that and type in the name of the song. After song appears, just select the song. And here you go, you can tap on next. Now before you tap on post, firstly you can just describe your post, add hashtags or mention creators that inspired you. Likewise, you can customize all of these options, like you can tag people, you can customize who can watch this video, you can customize if you want to allow comments or allow duet, allow stage, allow high quality uploads. Tap on the option of more options. Now from here you can enable if you want to save to device or control audience. And after you are done with all of these options, tap on post. And here you can see that I have just uploaded video on my TikTok. This is how you upload video on TikTok. I hope now you guys are clear about how to upload video on TikTok. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.